10 home remedies for dry cough. There are several home remedies for cough that are easy to use and are very safe to try at home without risk of side effects. Some of the home remedies for dry cough have been used for a long time and have proven to be very effective. Here are some. 1. One of the simplest home remedies for cough is to drink plenty of fluids. This will thin mucus and you will be able to cough easily. But remember that you should not drink cold drinks, alcohol, or caffeine, as they can worsen dry cough. 2. Hot water compressed or put into bags is considered one of the most effective home remedies for cough. All you have to do is take a bottle or bag with hot water and place it in the chest region. This helps to break down the mucus present in the chest region. 3. Drinking peppermint tea with ginger is a simple and straightforward method that will help you eliminate dry cough. 4. Take a teaspoon of honey and add 1 gram of turmeric powder. With this mixture, you will get relief from dry cough. 5. Take a teaspoon of onion juice and a teaspoon of honey. Mix together and wait 5 or 6 hours. Eat a teaspoon of this mixture twice a day for best results. 6. Drink hot carrot juice. This will help you eliminate dry cough and improve your health. 7. Take 4 tablespoons of coconut milk and then mix them with a tablespoon of couscous herb. Take it before going to sleep. 8. Clove is very effective to appease the problem of cough. All you have to do is choose some. This will lessen the irritation of the throat and give you immediate relief. 9. Try to eat fresh fruits, vegetables, and cereals. Have a balanced diet. 10. Use a humidifier in your room to create moisture in the air. This will stop the growth of harmful bacteria. These are some of the best home remedies for dry cough. They are simple, cost-effective, and comfortable to use. If none of these remedies work, it is best to consult the doctor of your choice. Please subscribe to our channel.